Chipmunk. These oak trees above me keep throwing their nuts on me. But I'm at Ramp Creek today down at Sherwood. I wanted to just share with you how I extract some of the geodes while I'm down here. Right here I got a piece of Ramp Creek that I found just sitting over there on the bank. And it has got geodes in it, especially that one. And all I'm doing is I'm breaking it up into smaller pieces like this, and you reveal the inner beauty. A nice calcite with some dolomite there on the right side. But it's not hollow. But I will continue to beat upon the rock. A little bit of quartz inclusion right there. You could definitely tell it's old silt from the Borden Delta. Nothing yet. Stop wobbling, will you? That one's almost free. Tiny little geode right there just opened up. Tiniest little geode. Onward. Gotta go back. Come on out of there. Anything in here? Looks like a little bit of sphalerite, maybe. Not sure yet. Put it in some sand over here, that way it doesn't move as much. Probably solid, they're almost always solid. Well. Not bad. Some nice quartz. Not bad at all. It's about as good as it gets right there. I'm gonna keep looking. See? Stop throwing your nuts at me. Got a little while to go yet.